Hi guys, this is Annie from Jiangsu Yihang Electric Science and Technology Company Limited. We are a manufacturer of EV connectors, EV charging cables, and portable EV chargers. Today I'm going to introduce one of our best sellers to all of you. If you live in Europe and you have an electric car, you must need the help of an EV charging cable to recharge your car. Well, in front of me is a Type 2 to Type 2 EV charging cable. This EV charging cable has a female plug, Type 2 plug, and a male Type 2 plug. All you need to do is to insert this male plug into the charging equipment, the charging pile or the wallbox charger, and this male plug into the electric vehicle. This EV charging cable can be of one phase or three phase. The output power can be 3.6 kilowatts, 7.2 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, and 22 kilowatts. So if your car is compatible with 22 kilowatts charging equipment, your car may be fully charged in around 4 hours. So this EV charging cable can function as a quick charging cable for your car. Okay, so that's about the introduction of this EV charging cable. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.